Good morning to all the students. You are welcome to my today's class. Today we'll be talking about the two topics only, as you can see on the screen. First, we'll be talking about minutes. Then we'll start another topic, that is report writing, writing a business report. I hope all the students are revising the things we have already discussed. Every day I'm reminding you of the things you have to learn, you have to prepare. So I hope you are following my suggestions, my instructions seriously. So first we become clear about minutes. Some people say minutes also. Simply minutes or minutes refers to the record of meeting for future reference. It is a permanent record of a meeting. A company or an organization conducts a formal meeting on a regular basis. In the previous class, I told you about different types of meetings. They may be board meetings or statutory meetings, monthly meetings, bi-monthly meetings, yearly meetings. Some meetings may be weekly meetings also. There may be departmental meetings, management meetings, and so on. Once a meeting is conducted, it is necessary to keep the record of the discussions and decisions made in that particular meeting. And the record, the permanent record of such meetings, which is needed for us for the future reference, is minutes. It is called minutes or minutes. Generally, minutes describe and specify what was discussed and decided in a meeting. Two things. So if you go through a minute of a particular company or an organization or a particular club, you may find the points discussed in those meetings and the decisions, the points of decisions made in that meeting. So minutes describe and specify what was discussed and decided in a meeting. It is a mirror of a meeting, reflection of a meeting. It gives overview of the entire meeting. You get the information about the time of meeting, venue of meeting, okay? People present, who were present in the meeting, people who were absent in the meeting, nature of the meeting, the agendas put forward in the meeting, agenda-wise discussion in the meeting, and on different agendas, what was discussed and decided. So what was discussed and decided agenda-wise, and what could not be decided also. We find these things here in minutes. So it is the overall overview of the structure of the meeting. In a single sentence, minutes are the permanent record of the meeting for the future use. So what is the importance of minutes? Why minutes are necessary? Minutes confirm any decision made in the meeting. I have already told you that minutes are the permanent record of what was discussed and decided in a meeting. So if you want to know what the company decided on a particular date, you can go through the minutes and get information. So minutes are the record of any agreed actions to be taken. So concerned people gather, agenda are presented, the people present who are present there, they put forward their opinions on different agendas. There will be rigorous discussion. People discuss on those agenda, and finally they come to certain agreement or decisions. And these things are recorded in black and white in the register. So it is the record. Minutes are the record of any agreed actions to be taken. This is another importance. Similarly, they are the record of what? Recorded of allocated tasks and responsibilities. So while running program, running program, project, or company activities. So we have to allocate tasks, duties, and responsibilities to different members, different employees, different stakeholders. And only after making decision in a meeting and writing them in black and white, we assign those tasks to the concerned people. So to see the record of the tasks allocated for different concerned people, we can go through the minutes. Similarly, minutes provide detail of the meeting to anyone who was absent in the meeting, to anyone who was unable to attend the meeting. Suppose because of your personal work or because of some reasons you could not attend the meeting, but you can learn, you can know what was discussed and decided in the meeting later on, going through the or seeing the minutes. Minutes serve as a record of meeting procedure and outcomes. So how meeting was conducted and what was the outcome of the meeting. So to know that, to give information about this to the concerned people, minutes are prepared. So once again, minutes confirm any decisions made. Minutes are the record of any agreed actions to be taken. They are the record of allocated tasks and responsibilities. They provide detail of meeting to anyone unable to attend the meeting. Minutes serve the record of meeting procedures and outcomes. So these are the importance. These are the reasons for making minutes. Yes. So let me simplify Nepali now. Listen carefully. कुनै पनि संस्थाको विभिन्न डिसिजनहरू गर्नको लागि, विभिन्न कुराको अभिलेख राख्नको लागि संस्थाले चाहिँ, कम्पनीले, अर्गनाइजेसनले निरन्तर रूपमा चाहिँ मिटिङको आयोजना गर्छ। मिटिङका टाइप्सहरू अघिल्लो क्लासमा हामीले पढिसकेका छौं। त्यो चाहिँ विकली देखि लिएर इयरली मिटिङहरुसम्म हुन सक्छ, म्यानेजमेन्ट देखि लिएर प्रोजेक्ट वर्किङ पार्टिजका मिटिङहरुसम्म हुन सक्छ। अनि मिटिङ गर्ने, फर्मल मिटिङ गर्ने, कुनै औपचारिक मिटिङ गर्ने भन्ने बित्तिकै त्यो मिटिङको अभिलेख राख्नुपर्छ। माइनुट्स भनेको एउटा मिटिङको अभिलेख हो। दिस इज द रेकर्ड अफ अ मिटिङको अभिलेख। यस, यो किन राख्ने भन्दा कुनै डिसिजन गरिएको थियो वास्तवमै भन्ने चाहिँ प्रमाणको रूपमा, यो प्रुफको रूपमा काम लाग्छ। कुनै पनि कुरा प्रुफको लागि ब्ल्याक एन्ड व्हाइटमा हुनुपर्छ। अनि कुनै एजेन्डामा, कुन डिसिजनमा चाहिँ को मान्छे चाहिँ अग्री थिए भन्ने कुरा जान्नको लागि त्यो पनि हुन्छ। अनि कन्सर्न मान्छेहरूलाई चाहिँ सर्टेन कामको लागि ड्युटीहरू, रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटीहरू एलोकेट गर्दा पनि यो काम लाग्छ। So to provide the detail of meeting to anyone unable to attend, कोही मान्छे चाहिँ मिटिङमा अटेन्ड हुन सकेन भने त्यसको डिटेल उसले चाहिँ माइन्युट हेरेर थाहा पाउँछ, अभिलेखबाट थाहा पाउँछ। अनि माइन्युट भनेको आफैमा चाहिँ मिटिङ प्रोसिजरको मिटिङको प्रक्रियाको आफैमा रेकर्ड अभिलेख हो र मिटिङमा भएको आउटकम ओके यसको निष्कर्षको पनि अभिलेख हो. So these are the importance of minutes. So what are the tasks involved in taking minutes? Tasks. Okay, if you are taking minutes, what you have to do? Generally, the CEO of a company prepares minutes. Minutes तयार गर्ने भनेको companyको CEO ले. He or she has to know about the tasks, know about the ways of, let's say, preparing minutes. Some points are given here. Some tasks are given here. The first one is making a short summary about meeting's agenda. Okay, meeting चल्दाखेरि meeting को agenda को बारेमा summarize गर्न सक्नु पर्यो किनकि in a minute we include agenda also and decision also. Okay, so what was discussed and decided about different agenda त्यो कुरा हामीले minute मा लेख्नु पर्छ. Okay, so the CEO or the secretary has to make a short summary about the meeting's agenda. He or she has to make a list of the details beforehand. Okay, details agenda के हुन् त्यो सम्बन्धी के छलफल भयो. Okay, के डिसिजन आयो त्यसको चाहिँ ड्राफ्ट बनाइहाल्नु पर्छ. Okay, he or she has to make the recording of the body of the minutes. Body भन्नाले agenda र discussion को त्यो पार्टलाई चाहिँ we call it body part, body section. And then okay, he or she has to know how to conduct the how to conclude the minutes, what to write at the end of the minutes. And okay, he or she has to distribute the minutes among the okay attendees. Okay, कतिपय ठाउँमा चाहिँ त्यो minutesहरु चाहिँ सबै attendeesलाई दिने distribute गर्ने पनि छ. In the context of Nepal, okay, the decisions are okay read out okay to the people okay present there. Decision लेखिसकेपछि okay के decision भयो भने चाहिँ लेखेको कुरालाई चाहिँ okay the CEO okay reads them out, okay reads them loudly, other people listen to them, and if some corrections are necessary okay those corrections are made. And when all the people okay when the members or participants okay agree with those decisions okay with those minutes, they again sign at the end. Okay, they make a closing signature at the end of that document, and then the minute will be closed. Okay, this is the system okay of, let's say, conducting meeting, preparing minutes, and closing the minutes. Once again, the following are the tasks involved in taking minutes. The first one is making a short summary about meeting's agenda. Second, making a list of the details beforehand. The third one is recording the body section of the minutes. The fourth one is concluding the minutes with concluding signature, closing signature. And after that, distributing the decisions or distributing the minutes among the people present in the meeting or among the attendees. Okay, these are the minimum things to be done okay by the CEO or by the person who is given the responsibility of writing or preparing minutes. Minutes बनाउने मान्छेले यति कुराहरु चाहिँ कम्तीमा थाहा हुनुपर्छ. Okay, so here I have brought a sample minute. Okay, you have to learn how to prepare minute. Minute कसरी तयार गर्ने भन्ने जान्नु पर्छ. In exam you may be asked to draft a sample minute. Okay, so I have brought some examples here. Now we'll see these examples. Okay, actually this is not the minute of a company. It is a minute of a club, as you can see okay on the screen. It is a minute of Gorai Eco Club. Yes, this is a sample, sample only. Okay, यसमा के section हुँदो रहेछ त, minute मा के section हुँदो रहेछ त. So at the top, okay, you can write the name of your organization or club, okay, or company. Okay, that may be already printed. That may be already printed in your register. Register मा already printed पनि हुन सक्छ, नभए पनि लेख्न सकिन्छ. Okay, at the top you can write this. Yes, Gorai Eco Club, Gorai Sub Metropolitan City 18, okay, and other details, phone number, fax, these things. You're saying letterhead manu, okay. First you can mention the letterhead, and down you have to mention the date, okay. Date means date when that meeting was conducted. Minute भनेको meeting को record हो, त्यो भएर meeting कहिले भयो भनेको, okay, date चाहियो, okay. You have to mention the date first, okay. So remember this, पहिला माथि letterhead लेख्ने, त्यसपछि चाहिँ date राख्दा भयो, okay. And after that a short introduction, short background information about the meeting should be written. One sentence, one or two sentences, not more than that, okay. Yes, meeting को बारेमा short introduction दिनु, कस्तो खालको meeting कहिले भएको भनेर. So you have to mention this, okay. For example, okay, here in this example it is written like this: the monthly meeting of the members of Ghorai Eco Club was held at club's meeting hall under the chairpersonship of Mr. Deepak Chaudhary to discuss and decide on the following agenda. Okay, this is just the translation of the, okay, let's say minutes which are often written, which are often practiced in the context of Nepal. हाम्रो नेपालको कन्टेक्स्टमा लेखिने माइन्युटको भाषालाई मैले इङ्ग्लिसमा प्रेजेन्ट गरेको मात्रै हो, ओके. यस, अब प्राइभेट कम्पनीहरुमा इङ्ग्लिसमा नेपालीमा पनि लेखेको हुन सक्छ, ओके. नेपालीमा लेख्यो भने यसको ठ्याक्कै नेपाली ट्रान्सलेसन हुन्छ, ओके. बट यु हैव टु प्रिपेयर इन इंग्लिश, okay. So you just write the beginning, okay. This is the beginning, background information, background, yo bhaneko background, okay. You can write like this: the monthly meeting of the members of Ghorai Eco Club was held at club meeting hall under the chairpersonship of Mr. Deepak Chaudhary to discuss and decide on the following agendas, okay. यो के भनेको हुन्छ नेपालीमा भने, यस Ghorai Eco Club को नियमित, ओके, नियमित मासिक बैठक, भेला बैठक यस क्लब का, ओके, यस क्लब का अध्यक्ष श्री दीपक चौधरी को अध्यक्षतामा बसी, ओके, बसी तपसिलको उपस्थितिमा देहायका निर्णयहरू पारित गरियो भनेर लेख्या हुन्छ. Some of you might have read those things, okay, in the register written in Nepali, okay. त्यसैले इंग्लिशमा लेख्यो, okay. The monthly meeting of the members of Ghorai Eco Club was held at club's meeting hall under the chairpersonship of Mr. Deepak Chaudhary to discuss and decide on the following agenda. One thing you have to know here, in minutes we use the past tense, okay. Don't forget, past tense is used. Why? The reason is, okay, minutes are prepared, minutes are written, okay, after making the decisions, okay. At the end of the meeting, meeting decides, meeting comes to certain decision on certain agendas, okay. And you have to just report. It is like a report of a meeting. Minute भनेको meeting कै एउटा report हो, short report of a meeting. त्यही भएर यो मिटिङ त भइसकेको हुन्छ, मिटिङले के छलफल गरे, के निर्णय गरियो भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ प्रेजेन्टमा फ्युचरमा लेखिदैन. गरिन्छ भन्ने हैन, गरिसकियो, गरिनेछ भन्न नि पाइएन, ओके. सो युज पास्ट टेन्स. तर नोटिसमा चाहिँ हामी फ्युचर टेन्स युज गर्छौं, ओके. नोटिस इज हियर बाय गिवन दैट, okay, the regular board meeting of XYZ company will be held on this date भने हुन्छ नि त, will be held, okay. If you are writing a notice, use future tense. If you are writing a minute, use past tense, okay. किन यो टेन्स फरक किन गरेको भने, पास्ट टेन्स किन युज गरेको भने, यो चाहिँ डिसिजन भइसकेपछि, मिटिङ सकिसकेपछि, ओके, मिटिङको अन्त्यमा ठ्याक्क तयार हुने खालको हुन्छ के, ओके. दैट्स व्हाई. So these are the things you should not miss. Then you have to mention the name of the people present in the meeting, okay. Who are present in the meeting, you have to mention the name. As you can see, these are just examples, okay. एउटा order मा, chronology के भन्छ, hierarchical order मा लेख्नु पर्छ. First you mention the name of the president, okay, the senior most person. Yes, here in this example, Mr. Deepak Chaudhary, president, okay. Mrs. Shanti Jikeshi, treasurer, okay. Mr. Damu Thapa, member, all other are members. And you mention the name of the CEO, or in this case secretary only, Okay, secretary at the end. Generally secretary को नाम चाहिँ लास्टमा लेखिन्छ किन सेक्रेटरीले सबै लेखिसकेपछि आफ्नो नाम लेख्छ. Okay, अनि president को नाम चाहिँ सुरुमा लेखिन्छ. Okay, so this is the list of the people present in the meeting. Yes. And next section that you have to mention in minute is agenda. You have to mention agenda. I told you the meaning of agenda last time. So agendas are the points which are discussed and decided in a meeting. So points which are presented, okay, proposals which are presented for the discussion and decision. Discussion र decision को लागि बनाइएको points हरु proposal हरुलाई हामी agenda भन्छौं. In Nepali it is called प्रस्ताव. Meeting का प्रस्तावहरु, agenda of a meeting. Okay, so here are some examples of agenda, okay, of this meeting. Okay, training program, running a training program. Yes. Okay, youth participation, publishing a newsletter, opening a web blog, celebrating Environment Day, miscellaneous. Okay, यो चाहिँ जनरल टाइपको हो. अहिले हामी चाहिँ पछि हामी चाहिँ हाम्रो बुकमा दिएको एक्ज्याक्ट फर्मेट पनि हामी हेर्छौं. अहिले चाहिँ मैले जनरल टाइपको चाहिँ माइन्युट भनिरहेको छु. And after agenda, okay, you have to mention the decisions. Okay, what decisions were made on the basis of these agendas? You can mention like okay, what was first agenda? First agenda was training program. So what the meeting decided about training program? The meeting decided to conduct a week-long training on vocational skills from June 5th. Okay, this is an example. So meeting decided. Again, past tense is used. Meeting decides one, like very wrong. You have to use past tense. So the meeting decided to conduct a week-long training on vocational skills from June 5th. You can write like this, or you can just write it was decided that. It was decided that. Okay, a week-long training program on vocational, okay, skills. Okay, let's say would be conducted from which date? You can mention. It was decided that. The meeting decided that. Okay, like this you can write. Second agenda. What was the second agenda? Youth participation. So what was decided about youth participation? Just say it was decided to mobilize the local youth in environmental conservation activities. यो डिसिजन गर्यो. यो इको क्लब भएकोले यो इन्भाइरोन्मेन्ट सम्बन्धी काम गर्दो रहेछ. ओके, त्यो सम्बन्धी डिसिजन भयो. Third one is publishing newsletter. So what is decided? Just say an editorial board was formed. Is formed भनेन, was formed, past tense. An editorial board was formed to publish an eco club newsletter. Similarly, the fourth decision was it was decided to open a web blog of the club to keep its activities up to date. Fifth point was it was decided to celebrate World Environment Day in grand manner. So fifth decision, fifth celebration of celebrating Environment Day भन्ने एजेन्डा थियो, प्रस्ताव थियो, त्यसमा छलफल भएर यो निर्णय भयो. It was decided to celebrate World Environment Day in grand manner. Similarly, okay, sixth one, miscellaneous, any other business. AOB भनेको जस्तै हो, AOB. Okay, so what was the next decision? The meeting decided to start innovative talent hunt program in the near future. Innovative talent hunt program in the near future. The meeting decided to start innovative talent hunt program in the near future. So these are the decisions. Okay, so serially you have to mention serially. Okay, regarding agenda number 1, it was decided that. Regarding agenda number 2, it was decided. Okay, there are different ways of writing decisions. Regarding agenda number 1, it was decided that. Okay, regarding agenda number, it was decided that. Agenda number 2, it was decided. The meeting decided. It was decided. So there are different ways of writing decisions, but okay, don't forget to use the past tense while writing the decision. Okay, mostly we use past tense in the minutes. Okay, because these are just the reports. Okay, minutes are the reports or the records of discussions and decisions made in a particular meeting. And at last we mention the signature, closing signature of the participants of the meeting. Okay, those participants were present in the meeting, those people were present in the meeting, they can sign there. If they agree with these decisions, If they agree with this decision, they can sign here. Okay, if they don't agree, they can write note of dissent also. Okay, note of dissent, dissentment, but disagreement, note of disagreement. उनीहरूले लास्टमा चाहिँ note of dissent भनेर लेख्यो भने चाहिँ it means they do not agree with this decision. सहमत छैनौँ, मिटिङमा उपस्थित भए पनि कि उनीहरू चाहिँ यसमा सहमत छैनन् भन्ने बुझिन्छ. Okay, agree हुन्छ भने सिग्नेचर मात्रै गर्ने, agree छैन भने चाहिँ just write okay note of dissent. Okay, so this is a simple format of a minute I presented here. So I hope okay you are clear about this. हाम्रो बुकमा चाहिँ अलिकति फरक गरेर दिएको छ, हामीले बुकको अनुसार पनि हेर्छौं अहिले. Yes. Okay, students. So do you have anything to ask so far? Hello, students. So I hope this concept is clear. Now let me move ahead. What happened? Yes. So now next topic is types of minutes. Meetings are the regular processes, and once meetings are conducted, minutes are essential. But there may be various types of minutes. We may have to keep various types of minutes for the official use. Okay, so let's see those minutes, those types once. Okay, some parts are hidden here, so let me move this down. Yes, minutes of meeting. Okay, an accurate written record of meeting is essential, not only for those who are attended the meeting, but also for those who were unable to attend. Okay, so this is background information. Now, what are the types of meetings? I mean, minutes. The first one given here is verbatim minutes. Verbatim, verbatim, verbatim minutes. So, what sort of minutes are called verbatim minutes? The minutes in which each and everything which was discussed and decided in a meeting is written without missing anything. The detailed record, 100% record of each and every word spoken and discussed and decided in a meeting is what we call verbatim, okay, minutes. So these are used primarily in court for the legal purpose, reporting, where everything needs to be recorded word for word. Listen once again. कुनै मिटिङमा सुरुदेखि लास्टसम्म कसले के बोल्यो प्रत्येक शब्दहरू वर्ड फर वर्ड जस्ताको तस्तै हामीले चाहिँ रेकर्ड गरेर त्यसलाई ट्रान्सक्राइब गरेर अनि कोडमा बुझाउने अवस्था भयो हुन्छ भने त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी भर्बेटिम माइन्युट्स भन्छ. ओके, अब अरु खालको माइन्युट्समा चाहिँ हामीले निचोड मात्रै लेख्छौं के, ओन्ली द gist only. Okay, we summarize the discussions and decisions in meeting in our own language, but in verbatim, okay, we record each and every word, word for word. Okay, yes, and sometimes it may be needed, okay, for the court purpose or legal purpose. If we prepare minute in that way, it is called verbatim minutes. This is the first one. The second one is, okay, minutes of resolution. Okay, so if you keep the record, if you keep the record of, okay, certain resolutions are related to, okay, overcoming certain problems, starting new project, bringing certain solutions to a solution to the problem the company is, okay, facing. So if there are certain special resolutions presented in the meeting, and okay, if those resolutions are passed by the meeting, okay, and the record of such special resolutions can be called, okay, minutes of resolution. So only the main conclusion, you see here, only the main conclusion that are reached at the meeting are recorded, not a note of the discussion that took place here. Resolution matrai, decision matrai, के solution आयो त कुनै problem सम्बन्धी के solution आयो त्यस्तो खालको. अब भर्बेटिममा चाहिँ total each and everything is recorded, but in resolution type of minutes only the main conclusions, major resolutions are recorded, not each and everything. So these are usually used for minutes of AGMs and other statutory meetings. AGM meeting haru bhayo, statutory meetings haru ma bhaka चाहिँ key resolutions haru, main resolutions haruलाई matrai black and white गरियो भने that is what do you call the minutes of resolutions. It is important to note the exact wording of any resolution passed here also. So while writing the minutes, what was the spirit of it, exact meaning of it, exact words used there. कहिले कहिले हामीले लेख्दाखेरि सेक्रेटरीले लेख्दाखेरि चाहिँ त्यो वर्डको मिनिङ अर्को अर्थ आउने, बहु अर्थ आउने पनि बनाइदिन सक्छ. That is not good. So exact spirit, exact meaning, exact meaning of the decision should be noted down there, in minutes. Similarly, there are other types of meetings also, minutes also. So why it is not moving? Yes. Okay, now next type of minutes, another type of minutes is minutes of narration. Narration, you know the meaning of narration. Narration is an act of reporting what took place in the past, what happened in the past. So these minutes will be a concise summary of all the discussion that that took place, that took place, all the discussion that took place, reports received, actions to be taken, and decisions made. यसमा चाहिँ अलिकति डिटेलमा हुन्छ. Here the CEO keeps the makes the concise summary of all the decisions. सबै decision को चाहिँ summarize गर्छ उसले individually. Different decisions are summarized. Like one example, purchase of photocopier भन्यो, यसमा चाहिँ के डिस्कसन गरियो भने अलिकति टोटल डिटेलमा लेखेको हुन्छ. The company secretary submitted a report. अब सिधै चाहिँ it was decided that भने नलेखिकन चाहिँ so what was discussed त्यसको पनि reporting गर्छ के. So individual decisions may be reported in summarized form, concise summary. So for example, here in this example, the company secretary submitted a report from the administration manager containing full details of trial of AEZ photocopier. This machine had been used. ल हेर्नु त्यो मसिनको बारेमा पनि लेख्यो के अलिकति डिटेलमा हुने भयो रिपोर्ट. This machine has been used for a period of 4 weeks in the printing room. The machine's many benefits were pointed out. प्रत्येक एजेन्डामा अलि डिटेलमा के छलफल भयो भनेर चाहिँ अलिकति न्यारेसन गर्ने, रिपोर्टिङ गर्ने काम हुन्छ यसमा. सिधै चाहिँ it was decided to buy a new photocopier भनेर चाहिँ एक सेन्टेन्स दुई सेन्टेन्समा टुङ्ग्याउनु भन्दा त्यसको ब्याकग्राउन्ड पनि दिन्छ. Even the background, background information is given here. So this is called the minutes of narration. Now, I have brought one sample here. Yes, of a minute. So it is taken from your book itself. Yes, अब यो चाहिँ बुझ्नु पर्छ. एक्जाममा चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ अब बुकको आधारमै गर्नुपर्ने हुन सक्छ. त्यो अगाडि मैले दिएको चाहिँ एउटा सामान्य फर्म्याट मात्रै हो. तर अब एक्जाममा हामीले चाहिँ यदि सोधिहाल्यो भने चाहिँ it is better to follow the format given in the book. त्यही भएर यसलाई मैले अलिकति one by one अलि डिटेल अलि टाइम लगाएर चाहिँ बुझाउँछु म. I will take 5 to 10 minutes, then I'll leave the class. See, this is an example of formal minute of a company, Aurora Holding भन्ने company. Like एकदम ध्यान दियो है. Please listen to it. Pay attention to this description. So what are the different sections of a minute? See here. So at the top you can mention the main heading, including main heading includes meeting, place, day, date and time. ओके कम्पनीको नाम त आउने नै भइहाल्यो एरोरा होल्डिङ्स भन्ने यु क्यान मेन्सन द नेम अफ द कम्पनी यस अनि त्यसपछि यसको चाहिँ अहिले मैले प्रेजेन्ट गरेको लेटर हेडको डिस्क्रिप्सन पनि लेख्न सक्छ ओके एन्ड देन आफ्टर द्याट ओके एक सेन्टेन्स जति चाहिँ लेख्नु पर्यो माइन्युट्स अफ यसको हेडिङ लेख्नु पर्यो ओके माइन्युट्स मात्रै पनि लेखेको हुन्छ कतै अथवा चाहिँ यो के को माइन्युट्स भन्ने लेख्नु पर्यो माइन्युट्स अफ अ मिटिङ अफ द स्पोर्ट्स एन्ड सोसल क्लब held in conference suite on Friday 14 May okay 2000 at 1800 अब यो चाहिँ आफै भर्ने हो टाइमहरु डेटहरु ओके सो यसको मतलब यहाँ माथि चाहिँ एउटा हेडिङ आउनु पर्यो ओके देयर मस्ट बी वन हेडिङ ओके मेन हेडिङ्स इन्क्लुड्स मिटिङ प्लेस डे डेट एन्ड टाइम ओके मिटिङ प्लेस डे डेट एन्ड टाइम कुन कम्पनीको मिटिङ भन्यो कुन ठाउँमा भन्यो भन्ने कुरा पनि आउनु पर्यो ओके के सम्बन्धी मिटिङ यस सो माइन्युट्स अफ अ मिटिङ अफ द स्पोर्ट्स एन्ड सोसल क्लब ओके अब हाम्रो कम्पनीको के छ भने ओके माइन्युट्स अफ अ ओके लेट्स से माइन्युट्स अफ द बोर्ड मिटिङ अफ व्हिच मन्थ ओके बोर्ड मिटिङ ओके अफ आश्विन भनौँ और इंग्लिश में लेख्ने भने त्यही अनुसारको लेख्न पर्यो हेल्ड इन द मिटिङ हल अफ ओके द कम्पनी अन कुन डेटमा त्यो लेख्न सक्नु पर्यो ओके यस यु मेन्सन दिस सो मेन्सन ओके मिटिङ प्लेस डे डेट एन्ड टाइम नेक्स्ट वन इज लिस्ट दोज people who were present in the meeting okay yes it is better to mention them in alphabetical order भनेछ अब हाम्रो नेपालको केसमा चाहिँ त्यो अल्फाबेटिकल अर्डर हेरिदैन है हामीले चाहिँ हायरार्किकल अर्डरमा लेख्छौं ओके so practices are different from country to country list those present in alphabetical order with chairman first मा आउँछ अरुको नाम चाहिँ अल्फाबेटिकल अर्डरमा राख्ने भन्यो okay so we have to write the name of other people in alphabetical order okay yes so Miss Chris Evans, Carol Shane, yes Alien yes Chris Evans, Carol Shane, okay Alien Foster, Frank Jones, okay Maxine Street, Wendy Williams, like this. So list those present in alphabetical order with chairman first. Next one, down this section, this separate action column okay is a popular way of displaying minutes. अब यहाँ action column भनेर यसो लेख्न सकिन्छ. Then after that you present the agendas of the minutes. Okay, agendas. So what were the agendas for the meetings? Okay, त्यो चाहिँ हामीले नोटिसमा दिइसकेको हुन्छ. And generally there are three sections, three types of agendas. Okay, ordinary business, special business, and business. Last time I told you about this. Ordinary business, okay, special business, and any other business. Like the first three agendas come under ordinary business, like apologies for the absence. यो सबै माइनेटमा लेख्नु पर्छ. यो चाहिँ जहिले पनि एजेन्डा नम्बर 1 हुन्छ. ओके, अब यसमा के डिसिजन भयो त? नो एपोलोजिज वर रिसिभ्ड. कुनै पनि एपोलोजी पाइएन त्यसमा. ओके, सेकेन्ड, minutes of the last meeting. Okay, the chairman asks the member to correct an error. अगाडिको मिटिङमा भएको कुनै कुरामा चेन्ज गर्नु पर्छ नि यहाँ भन्न सक्छौं. Okay, the chairman asks member to correct an error in item 3.1 where the figure okay yes 1,200 okay dollar should read okay 12 point जस्तो देखियो 12,000 yes 12,000 okay 12,000 pound yes 12,000 pound. So after this correction the minutes were approved and signed up by the chairman as a correct record with you. So if you have to correct or if you have to make any decision regarding the previous minutes okay you can mention here as a correction. पहिलाको minutes मा भएको कुरा चाहिँ correction गरियो भन्नु. Okay, correction is made. Yes, next one, matters arising. There were no matters arising. कुनै पनि नयाँ कुराहरु आएन. Okay, new matterहरु आएन. So first one, second one, and third one. So these three things are the let's say agendas of ordinary business. So ordinary business में के डिसिजन भयो यहाँ लेख्न सकिन्छ. ओके पहिला एजेन्डा लेख्ने त्यसपछि त्यो सम्बन्धी के भयो केही पनि डिसिजन भएन केही पनि छलफल भएन भने okay there were no discussion on it, there were no matters arising, no apologies were received, okay you can mention these things. Yes, then other special agendas, special business. Okay, यो चाहिँ अब यसैमा यहाँ जे छ त्यही हुनुपर्छ भन्ने छैन, अरु एजेन्डाहरु. Okay, so what were the special agendas for that particular meeting? Okay, you mention those agendas and the decisions, like chairman's report, your new agenda रहेछ. Okay, the chairman pointed out that membership had fallen by 20% over the last 6 months. अब यो chairman को report यसरी आयो. Okay, see the tense हेर्यो भने सबै past tense मा लेखेको छ. Okay, it was felt that this was due largely to lack of publicity during the present year. Okay, so this one. So अर्को एजेन्डा पनि रहेछ. Okay, yes, circular to staff अर्को एजेन्डा पनि रहेछ चेयरम्यान को. अब 4.1 भयो. 4.2 मा आयो. Okay, special social events हरुको बारेमा यो these are the things presented by chairman. चेयरम्यान को ले प्रेजेन्ट गरेको कुराहरुमा के डिसिजन गरियो, चेयरम्यान को एजेन्डामा के छलफल गरियो भन्ने. Then 5, football results and matches. It was another agenda. Okay, so what was discussed and decided regarding football results and matches? Okay, Frank Jones reported on the results of the third football matches during April. Okay, so like this. Other agendas are also here. Agenda number 6, new keep fit classes. New keep fit classes run somebody के decision भयो. Okay, it can be mentioned here. Purchase of tennis equipment सम्बन्धी के निर्णय भयो. Annual dinner and dance सम्बन्धी के निर्णय भयो. Okay, you can mention this, and while writing the decision you can write like this: it was agreed that, it was decided that, the meeting decided that. Okay, भनेर चाहिँ you can write the decisions here in the past tense. And after the special business, the last section is any other business. Okay, त्यसलाई हामी end business भन्छ. AOB, end business मा दुईटा मात्रै एजेन्डा आउँछ. Okay, one is AOB, any other business. Last one is date of next meeting. So here in this case, so what was any other business, what was AOB? So there was no AOB, there was no other business. अरु business रहन्छ, अरु miscellaneous कुरामा छलफल भएन केही पनि. So date of the next meeting, it was agreed that the next meeting would be held in conference suite A on Thursday 24 June. Okay, at this date. So next meeting को date कहिले भयो भनेर चाहिँ you can mention this also. And at last closing, okay, chairman writes signs here. So leave a space for chairman to sign and date at the next meeting. Yes. Okay. अब यसमा चाहिँ कस्तो सिस्टम हुँदो रहेछ भने इन्ट्रोडक्सन प्र्याक्टिस चाहिँ ओके चेयरम्यानले लेख्ने अनि डेटहरु चाहिँ अर्को मिटिङ भनेको छ. सो लीव अ स्पेस फर चेयरम्यान टु साइन एन्ड डेट एट द नेक्स्ट मिटिङ. ओके, अर्को मिटिङमा यसले अप्रुभ गर्ने काम गर्छ. ओके, सो एन्ड एट लास्ट यु मेन्सन द ओके कम्प्लिट डेट हियर. यस, डाउन यु क्यान मेन्सन. यो चाहिँ यो आजको दिनको डेट भयो. यो चाहिँ अर्को मिटिङमा उसले साइन गर्नुपर्छ, यसलाई अप्रुभ गर्नुपर्छ. ओके, सो दिस इज द सिस्टम हियर गिभन हियर. अब हामीले एक्जाममा लेख्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब हामीलाई बुकमा दिएकै फर्मेट अनुसार चाहिँ हुन्छ. अब यो मैले अगाडि प्रेजेन्ट गरेको इजी त छ तिमीलाई. ओके, सो दिस इज भेरी इजी टु कम्पोज. ओके, हाम्रो नेपालको प्र्याक्टिसहरुमा हुने. यस, तर अब यु हेभ टु लर्न दिस अल्सो एन्ड यु हेभ टु लर्न ओके दिस अ बिट कम्प्लिकेटेड वान अल्सो. ओके, माथि चाहिँ हेडिङ मेन्सन गर्ने. ओके, प्रेजेन्ट पिपल वेयर प्रेजेन्ट देयर. ओके, एपोलोजिज फर एब्सेन्स. ओके, अब एजेन्डाहरुको चाहिँ तीन खालको एजेन्डा. यस, वान इज अर्डिनरी बिजनेस, त्यसमा तीनवटा आयो. एपोलोजिज फर एब्सेन्स, माइन्युट्स अफ द लास्ट मिटिङ, म्याटर्स अराइजिङ. ओके, इन एनी माइन्युट यु हेभ टु मेन्सन दिस. ओके, सो अर्डिनरी बिजनेस एन्ड एन्ड बिजनेसको पोइन्टहरु चाहिँ त्यही नै हुन्छ, सेम हुन्छ. स्पेशल बिजनेस मात्रै त्यो मिटिङमा के स्पेशल कुरा छलफल भयो त्यो मात्रै फरक हुन्छ. Okay, the first agenda, second agenda and third agenda are same for all meetings and all minutes. So what are they? Apologies for absence, okay, minutes of the last meeting and matters arising. यो चाहिँ त्यही लेख्ने, जुनसुकै एक्जाम्पलमा पनि त्यही लेख्ने. लास्टको any other business, okay, the meeting date for the next meeting पनि त्यो नै हुन्छ. Now in between these two sections, okay, which we call special section, you can present the special agenda for the meeting, okay, and their decisions. So यति कम्प्लिकेटेड लेख्न सक्दैन भने इट वाज डिसाइडेड दैट द मीटिंग डिसाइडेड, ओके भनेर चाहिँ लेखे पनि हुन्छ, ओके, तर फर्मेट चाहिँ यही फलो गर्ने. यस, सो आई थिंक वी हैव टू स्टप हियर, ओके. इफ आई टीच मोर यू विल बी कंफ्यूज एंड टाइम इज आल्सो ओवर. So let me stop the class here.